Do you feel like you're running on empty? Like you want to read the Bible but just don't have time? You are not alone. So many of us struggle to be consistent with our quiet time because we're so overwhelmed by all the things we need to do. But what if we can begin a new habit of reading our Bible during a time that's already part of our day? What if eating breakfast can become our quiet time with Jesus? That's what you'll find with Bible and Breakfast, a blended devotional and cookbook focused on helping you feed your body and soul together. Each day, you'll find a new breakfast recipe, a snack-sized devotional for those mornings you're in a rush, and an inductive Bible study feast for when you can linger at the table with God's Word. You don't have to rearrange your schedule for Bible and Breakfast. It's meant to fit right into your busy life because Jesus wants to meet us right in our mess. Experience the joy of spending time with Jesus every morning with Bible and Breakfast.